Certainly, Mars is a fascinating planet with a rich history of exploration and scientific discovery. Here are 50 amazing things about Mars that you might find interesting. Fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. Red planet. Mars is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Similar day length. A day on Mars, called a sol, is very close in length to a day on Earth, lasting about 24.6 hours. Thin atmosphere. Mars has a thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is on Mars. It's about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high, making it nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Valles Marineris. This is one of the largest canyons in the solar system, stretching about 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers long, 7 miles, 11 kilometers deep, and up to 370 miles, 600 kilometers wide. Polar ice caps. Mars has. Polar ice caps, made of water and dry ice, frozen carbon dioxide, that expand and contract with the changing seasons. 2 small moons. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are irregularly shaped and thought to capture asteroids. Potential for life. Scientists are actively exploring the possibility that Mars may have hosted or still hosts microbial life, given its history of liquid water. Curiosity rover. NASA's Curiosity rover has been exploring Mars since 2012, conducting experiments and sending valuable data back to Earth. InSight mission. InSight is a mission designed to study the interior of Mars, helping us understand more about its geology and seismic activity. Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO. MRO has been orbiting Mars since 2006, capturing detailed images of the surface and monitoring the planet's weather. Dust storms. Mars experiences intense dust storms that can cover the entire planet and last for weeks or even months. Earth-like features. Mars has features similar to Earth, such as deserts, polar ice caps, and canyons, but on a much larger scale. Viking landers. The Viking 1 and Viking 2 landers, sent by NASA in the 1970s, were the first spacecraft to successfully land on Mars and conduct experiments. Mars Global Surveyor, MGS. MGS provided valuable data about Mars's surface, climate, and atmosphere during its mission from 1997 to 2006. Water on Mars. Evidence suggests that liquid water may exist beneath the surface of Mars, raising the possibility of subsurface ecosystems. Mars Express. Launched by the European Space Agency, ESA, Mars Express has been studying the planet since 2003, including mapping its surface and analyzing its atmosphere. Mars Pathfinder. The Pathfinder mission, which included the Sojourner rover, was the first successful mission to land a rover on Mars in 1997. Seasonal changes. Mars experiences seasons similar to Earth, but they are about twice as long due to its longer orbit around the Sun.